Hey everyone, welcome back to Michelle the Maker. I am here with another video. As you can see, I'm walking into my space. I'm reupholstering a couch. I don't know why I'm walking back and forth, but let's get into it. So this couch is actually very large and I seem very cool right now, but this is a long and strenuous process. And if you need help, you should probably get some because this couch was not easy. I have Anais helping me, take all the stuff off of the couch. So basically, what you're gonna do is the first thing, and this is actually Anais's new home. So this is her couch, and we're helping her put it together here. I don't know. So we are just taking off all the pieces, and then we are going to take off staples because there are like 5,000 staples in this whole couch. And I'm gonna list all the stuff you can buy from Home Depot or your local hardware store to make this process as seamless as it can possibly be. Yeah, more staples because there are a lot of staples in this couch. Do 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 do. Yes, this is just me blank space because, okay, still taking off more staples, and yes. Now we're at the back of the couch and we're still taking out more staples because we need to. So I also have to say that this is like my largest project that I've ever done to date. It was a lot, if that makes sense. This was a large project that probably next time I'll break it up into like 4 to 6 months because no, it was a lot. Yeah. Okay, so we finally made headway and we're at the back of the couch now, taking off the pieces that have to be put back on. Be sure to keep all the pieces for the couch because you're going to need them again. And yes, so we flip the couch back and now we are taking off all the pieces that you're going to trace to use for the new material. So make sure you keep literally all your pieces until you're at the complete end of the couch because you're probably going to need all of them. Yes, and we're back with more staple taking out because it's a lot. Here you're going to see me seam ripping the piping from the actual piece that I will be tracing with the new material. It's just easier to take the piping out, and the couch at the end did have a new piping that I put in, and here you're going to see me tracing, cutting all the pieces that were on the new couch, I'm sorry, on the old couch to the new material. This is basically the easiest part of the couch. I feel like the most that you're going to do is actually sewing. So if you have never sewn or don't have expertise in sewing or someone who can, I don't think this project is necessarily for you because it is a lot of work. When I tell you a lot of work, a lot of work. So here you see me just cutting all the pieces, tracing and cutting so we can have all that is needed for the couch to be put together. Okay, I'm still here, still cutting all the pieces out, tracing, cutting, and as you can see, my assistant Anais is helping me. She's helping me seam rip the piping from the materials. I think this is the right arm that she has in her hand, but I am cutting the left arm. The most you're going to do with this, be sure that you're putting the right arm on the correct arm because I was putting the left arm on the right arm. And when I tell you I was frustrated and was about to give up, no. So make sure you're putting the right pieces on the correct side because it'll make your process a little more easier than mine. And yeah, this couch was a lot. I don't even have words. It was a lot. And I think it's a great project. And now I know how to reupholster a couch. I'll probably do my own next. So yeah, here's that, just tracing and then cutting the pieces. Get all the pieces that you need, literally. Don't throw anything away until you're at the complete end. So I'm still tracing and cutting out all the pieces because they were a lot, because this is a super large couch. So if you're doing a chair or whatever piece of furniture you're doing, be sure to do the same thing. So I'm sad to say that I didn't record most of this video because it was way too much. And this is all that I have. So if you have any questions about reupholstering a couch, you can email me, DM me, or whatever, and I can help you. So this is basically the end. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to Michelle the Maker on YouTube or follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.